Making clay cookies.
Welcome to the clay cookie shop.
What kind of cookie will we make today?
Let's find out.
Excuse me, can I buy some clay cookies?
Yes. Here comes your clay cookie.
Wow, it's a funny clay cookie.
There, it's done.
That looks amazing. What should we make next?
We can make cookies in all kinds of shapes. We can even make crepes.
Clay cookie shops are so much fun.
Now, let's start making our own clay cookies. First, grab some clay about the size of a dumpling. Roll it into a ball. Next, flatten it in your palm. Press a little so it becomes thin like a cookie. Time for toppings. Tear tiny pieces of clay and roll them into little balls. Stick them on top of your cookie. Keep adding toppings until you like how it looks. All done. Let's place it on a plate. Let's make a second cookie. Roll it into a ball. Flatten it again in your hand. For this topping, let's stretch the clay thinner. Put it on top to make a fun new design. Nice. Let's put this one on a plate too. Now for the third cookie. Flatten the clay again. This time, let's change the shape. It feels a little bumpy. It's turning into a cool shape. Add eyes and a mouth. Now we have a face cookie. What should we try next? Let me show you how to make a clay crepe. First, flatten the clay. Make it even thinner. Make it just like a cookie, then roll up the clay to make your crepe. Now it's your turn to try making one. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun.